Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So, if you want to blend the dark, moody vibes of the emo aesthetic with high-class, sophisticated fashions, this elegant emo outfit's inspiration guide for DTI is exactly what you need. So this look will be perfect for themes like gala, formal, or a refined goth theme. Now let's just get started to create this look. So first, for the hair, I'm using black color and I'm using this too from the wavy hair category and also use this bag. Now let's create the outfit. So you can start by going to the women's section and put on this top right here. Change the color into black. Then go in here, put on this one, toggle it into thick and number 3. Also put on this one, change all the color into black. Put on the arm warmer in black color. Also this cuffs in here at the top. And all change it all to black. Good. Go in here, and for the shoe I'm going to wear this Mary Jane shoe in here. Change the color into black. And now put on this skirts in here. For skirt, I'm going to use a pattern. This black and red roses in here. For the belt, change the color into black. And I'm going to use this chains in here. Put on some accessory like this necklace in here. Also, I'm going to combine it with this one. Change the gems color into red. I'm going to also put on this bow in here to glitz into number 6 and red color. So that will be it. This will be the final look. This is optional. You can also put on this top from the Petal Updates, all in a black color. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on a tag. Bye.